In this video, I will walk you through the various landing pages included in these boilerplates. First up is the main landing page. It is designed to showcase your SaaS product with a clean, modern look and smooth animations. I know animations aren't everyone's favorite, that's why you can easily disable them by removing the component wrapper as shown here. Next, we have blog pages, which let you write articles in Markdown for simple content management. Personally, I won't lie to you, after I write an article in my text editor, I will just let ChatGPT rewrite it for me in Markdown, which of course saves me a ton of time. Another page is the contact page, where customers can send you a message directly using this form. It's fully functional and ready to use. Another feature is the revenue calculator. And by the way, as you will see in other videos, this boilerplate comes with a whole built-in affiliate program system to let users promote your SaaS for you. That's why users need to estimate their earnings, therefore the need for such mini tool. Everything here is dynamic. Once your SaaS plans are configured, the system automatically adjusts to display precise estimates. This is, again, not hard-coded. Additionally, as you can see, there are of course authentication pages for sign in and sign up, which I will discuss in another video to show you how they work exactly. And that's for both customers and affiliates. And one last thing to mention is that the boilerplate comes with both light and dark modes to accommodate different user preferences. I think that's all for this video. See you in another one, God willing.